Using Audacity. Audacity is a sound recorder and sound editor. To start, record something. Band exploration is awesome. Now we hear what it sounds like. Well, it only works if I unmute the volume. Band exploration is awesome. Great. So we can make a recording, and we can actually keep making recordings and make a mashup with them. Sorry about that, made it disappear. I'm going to highlight over here all the dead space. Now I've got band exploration is awesome. Now I can do some things to it. I'm going to go up under the effects menu, and I'm going to change the pitch. There's 3 change commands. Change pitch. If you take it to the right, makes you sound like a chipmunk. If you take it to the left, it makes you sound like you're a possessed demon. So you can change that. You can also go under the effect menu and change speed. Make it sound like you're talking faster or slower. It changed the speed and the pitch. Make it slower and lower this way. If you want to keep your own voice and just make it faster or slower, then change tempo. This will sound like you, just faster. Band exploration is awesome. Or make yourself slower. Band exploration is... So, under the effects menus, there's 3 change commands. You're going to want to mess with all of those. There's lots of other things you can do, but I'm going to go to, what do I want to go to? There's actually all kinds of things that you can play with. I'm not going to play with those, but I will show you how to do some other things. I can take the whole thing and I can cut and paste parts of it, just like Microsoft Word. I Control-C for copy, and I'm going to change the word awesome a couple times. Now it's going to sound like something you hear on the radio. Band exploration is awesome. Awesome. I'm going to undo those, Control-Z. You can take the whole thing and make it go backward. That's what I'm looking for. I believe it's reverse. It was down here. Reverse the whole thing and see what it sounds like backwards. So I put it back that way. Probably everybody's favorite thing to do with Audacity is you can replace things. That's under the Generate menu. Effect is most of the stuff you use. Generate does a few things. We're going to generate a tone. And this will make it sound like... Band exploration is... Yes, that's right. You can make it sound like you're bleeping out bad words. Now, next thing I want to show you. Once you've made one recording, you can go and record other things. I'm going to mute this one. And I'm going to make another recording. Oh, say, can you see? That didn't work very well. Let's play it and find out what happened. Oh. I'm going to get rid of that one, X out of here, and I'm going to try the whole thing again, going back to the beginning. Push this up. Oh, say, can you see? Let's make that a little smaller. We got it. And we can have both of them happen at the same time if we want to. Band exploration is awesome. So you can layer sounds on top of each other. Or if you don't like that, you can cut and paste all into one track. And it's not letting us do that. Why won't it let us do that? Let's see if it will now let us. I'm going to copy, and I'm going to try pasting up here. There we go. Now I'm going to mute this track. I'm going to try to do this one. Why won't it work? There we go. Mute this one. There we go. Solo this one. I'm going to click back to the beginning and... Band exploration is awesome. Oh, say, can you... So, you can make your own mashups. You can also put sounds on top of each other. That's called multi-track recording. When you're done, when you want to save it, go to the File menu. You can save, but what you save is not going to play for anybody except your computer. So make sure you export audio. Go down here, and there's a bunch of audio files you can choose. Make sure it says MP3. I'm going to call this one Minors. I can't spell. Minors. And I'm going to save it someplace I'll know where it is. You should save it in your music library. I'm going to save mine right here. Click Save. Don't worry about filling out this information. If you want to, though, it'll show up on your iPod or phone when you play the track. It does that. Now let's go find where that sound is. It's in my audio folder. I think it's in my audio folder. Well, at any rate, we go and we try playing the sound. Maybe it's right here. There it is, minors. And we see if it works. Band exploration is awesome. Oh, say can you. There you go. That is how you use Audacity. Good luck. Have fun using Audacity. And I would love to hear what you come up with. Bye-bye.